Today we're going to go through a brief overview of SIL Systems paperless production for SAP. This operation list shows all open work orders for this specific work center. These digital work orders take the place of hundreds, if not thousands of pages of hard copy work orders and alleviate having to use valuable company resources printing them out, organizing, collating, and hand delivering to each work center. Now let's look at a specific example. This job view is separated into two sections. The work order information on the left is derived from the specific fields and tables from the SAP production order. And in addition, SIL System supports all fields from the operations and production order. On the right hand side, you see a PDF document. Using the right arrow buttons, it will take us to the next document in this work order. By selecting one of these 3D PDF documents, this brings up much more than just a picture. It represents a 3D visualization of the product itself. This can be used for things such as online tours of the product and even walk a user through the actual production process, step by step. We're using SAP's Visual Enterprise Viewer application to show this. Next, we'll click on the scene tree, and this will actually bring up the parts of the details for this product. By clicking on a specific line item, it'll highlight the part for you to see what, let's say in this case, the left handle looks like. You can go ahead and click on that, it'll highlight it for you. If you go ahead and detach it from the rest of the product, you can actually see what the internal parts look like. And when you're done, you can then restore it by just simply clicking on the icon. Now we will activate the animations menu by clicking on the arrows button up here in the right hand corner. This button will activate new options on the 3D model. There are two work modes available. You can go through each slide step by step, which is very useful when you're assembling a product, or we can run the instructions video complete to the end. We'll now exit this view, and now we're going to hit this right arrow button to take us to the next document in this work order. If you want to finalize this process because we completed the entire 10 units for this work order, we can do so, and then add notes or make comments if necessary. By clicking OK, this will complete the work order in its entirety and will no longer be visible on the outstanding production order screen. This will also send the information back to SAP in real time. Thank you for watching this short overview of SIL Systems paperless production module for SAP.